Hey fam! Welcome back to the Von Regan kitchen, and we're cooking today Asian sesame noodle salad. I love this recipe for barbecues, and we're having a barbecue tomorrow, so it's perfect timing to cook this recipe and to video it for you, my family. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back. Let's jump right into our recipe. So first, we're gonna make the dressing in this stainless steel bowl that I love. You can reference the set in the description. There's 5 ingredients in this Asian noodle dressing. It's tamari, which is a gluten-free type of soy sauce that's less salty too and better for you, balsamic vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and then this hot chili oil. So we're gonna dump them all in the bowl and mix them up. Now it's gonna seem a little like grainy with the sugar. You just wanna keep mixing until that sugar like dissolves and it becomes all one liquid together. Now that our dressing is all mixed up, it's time to pull in our pasta. So I cooked 1 pound of pasta earlier. I let it chill. You can actually serve this dish hot or cold, and you can serve it with any type of pasta. If you like a gluten-free pasta, a wheat pasta, if you like a vegan pasta, whatever type of pasta you like. I just have a plain old pasta here. That's what my family loves. You're gonna dump your dressing in. After pouring the dressing in, we're gonna put all our vegetables in and then our protein. So I have green onions, carrots, you can see the green onions, tomatoes cut into like thirds, grape tomatoes, fresh cilantro, 1 pepper, this was like a greenish orange pepper, sesame seeds, and then you can add any protein you want or you can leave the protein out. We've done this recipe with steak, we've done this recipe with shrimp. Today we're putting some marinated chicken. We're gonna just dump them all in. And mix all this deliciousness together. Now this nice big stainless bowl that I'm mixing in is also part of the set that I did the dressing in. I mixed the dressing in. And what I love about this is it's a nice large bowl that I can mix any salad in, and I don't have to worry about it like tossing it over the sides. And this is a great recipe also just to have for dinner. It has your protein in it, all your veggies, and then you get a little of those carbohydrates. You can serve this on a plate or in a bowl. I'm serving it on my favorite French pearl Lennox set. I like to serve it with tongs and a spoon so you can get all the veggies and the goodness. Sometimes the spoon just gets like a big heaping helping of the pasta. Now for the moment of truth. How good is this? Delicious. This is hitting the spot. I didn't eat lunch yet, and it's well past lunchtime, so I'll be gobbling up this whole plate. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Bye for now.